Welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, I'll guide you step by step on how to create SSL servers and configure them on TLS Tunnel using the latest update. If you're looking for a fast and secure VPN browsing experience, you're in the right place. First, let's start by installing the VPN application. Open your Play Store and in the search bar type TLS Tunnel. Tap on the correct result and download the app. Once the installation is complete, press Open to launch it. Now that we are on the TLS Tunnel homepage, we won't set anything up just yet. First, we need to create our SSL servers. Open any browser of your choice, Chrome works perfectly, and head over to the SSH Ocean website. Once on the SSH Ocean homepage, locate and tap on the menu icon. A new menu will slide in from the side. From this list, tap on Services, and then select SSL Servers from the submenu. You'll now be directed to a page listing server locations around the world. Tap on the country or region where you'd like your server to be hosted. On the next page, choose a server from that location. Tap the Create button to proceed to the account creation page. Here, you'll need to fill in your username and password. Complete the reCAPTCHA, then tap Create Account. Your SSL server will be created in a few seconds. Copy down all the server details provided. This includes the IP address, username, and password. You'll need these to configure TLS Tunnel. Now return to the TLS Tunnel app. On the home screen, tap the pencil icon to access advanced settings. Here, you'll need to select a protocol. Choose Custom as the connection type. Then, check the SNI box and input the SNI you want to use. Once done, press Save to return to the main screen. Next, tap on the server icon at the top of the screen. You'll see a list of options: free servers, premium servers, and custom servers. We want to choose Custom to manually enter our own server details. Enter the SSL server details you copied earlier into the relevant fields: IP address, port, username, and password. Save the configuration and return to the main screen. Now you're ready to connect. Tap the Start button. You can swipe left to view the connection logs and monitor the VPN status. If everything is set correctly, your VPN should connect in seconds. That's it for today's tutorial. If this video helped you set up your SSL VPN on TLS Tunnel, give it a thumbs up and share it with friends who need a secure browsing solution. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon so you never miss an update. See you in the next